Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two platforms. These two CRM platform called Creatio CRM and Honeybook CRM. So to get started with the overview, together with the strength and the weakness of this platform. So to get started with the overview, Creatio CRM is a powerful low-code platform designed for medium to large businesses that needs tailored workflow across sales, marketing, and services. It also offers a deep customization and automation capabilities. Talking about the Honeybook on the other side, it's a all-in-one client flow platform for freelancers and small service-based businesses. It simplifies client communication and contact invoice and payment in one easy-to-use tools. Now, talking about the strength of this platform, which is CRM platform, which is Creatio CRM, the strength and the weakness. So analyzing the strength, it has a low-code tools for customizing workflow and automation. It also has a covering sales, marketing, and service in one system. It also has a scalable for growing teams with a complex needs. Now, talking about the drawback about this platform, which is the weakness, it has a higher learning curve, especially for small time business, and it's expensive compared to a lightweight CRM, and it overkills for solopreneur or basic use cases. Now, talking about the Honeybook CRM on the other side, analyzing the strength, it combines a CRM invoice together with the contract and scheduling. It's also extremely easy to set up, and it works with professional client experience for onboarding to payment. Now, talking about the downside, not built for a sales teams or a complex workflow. It has a limited reporting and a customization together. It has no ideas or not idea for scalable or scaling or managing in multiple times. So that's it. Now here's my overall conclusion. So if you want to use Creatio CRM, it is best for you to choose Creatio CRMs if you need a powerful scalable platform that's deep customization or with deep customization for managing complex process across department. But you can simply go for Honeybook if you are a solopreneur. If you are a solopreneur or small service provider looking for a streamlined system to base client from booking to payment. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.